Hey guys, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply smooth scrolling animation on your GoHighLevel page navigation. Okay, so before getting started, let me show you an example. Okay, so here in this page I have a navigation at the top of this page, you can see. And now if I click any of these, let me try first one, features. If I click here, you can see it smoothly just navigate to that particular section. Again, let me try to the pricing. You can see here this way actually it takes me to that particular section, but not instantly. It smoothly just scrolling. Okay, so let me try again for FAQs. Yeah, that's it. So what if we don't use this code? Okay, so how it actually works by default. Okay, let me show you. If I click here for this page, if I click the mountains and see here, it instantly take me to that particular section instead of smoothly scrolling to that. Okay, so again here you can see, if I click here again, the last one, this one, the slick line, you see, once I clicked, instantly it's just pop up in front of me instead of going to smoothly to that particular section. Okay, for the same page, if we apply the code, then how it will work. Okay, let me try slick line again. Then you see it scrolling just smoothly. Okay, like let's say for mountain, you see here it's smoothly taking me to that particular section. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you how you can apply the code and make your GoHighLevel page navigation for the smooth scrolling effect. Okay, so I am here on the page editor. Actually this code snippet actually work with both the new page builder as well as the previous classic page builder. Okay, so in this case I am using the previous code page builder. Okay, so first of all you need to copy the code from our GHL code snippet library. You will get the link of our website where you can get the code. Okay, you will get the link into the description of this video. Okay, so to apply the code, first of all you need to copy the code. Once you copy it, then just click settings on your page builder and then click tracking code and go to the footer code. Okay, and then put the code. Okay, so after that let me save it. So once you put the code, this code will comes with some default random section selector. Okay, so in this case, let's say for mountains divider, wave divider 2, connective circle divider, we want to add the smooth scrolling for that particular section. Okay, so let me get the CSS selector for mountains divider. Yeah, here is it. So the mountain divider. Okay, so I want to get this one. Okay, so the mountain divider. So once I select this section, okay, for the entire section, not the column, element or row, anything else. Okay, we just need to select the section where we actually want people to smoothly scroll. Then click advanced and you will find this CSS selector. Okay, just copy the CSS selector, go back to your code. Okay, and then replace this ID here. Okay, by default it will comes with this random IDs, but you just need to replace with your page section IDs. Okay, so then for the next one I am going to use the web divider 2. Let me find that web divider 2. Okay, so here is it. So now I need to select this intersection, then click advance and then this CSS selector. Okay, you can just click this copy icon, it will be copied to your clipboard, and go back to your tracking code and replace your CSS ID. Okay, so this way you just add all the CSS ID where you actually want to smoothly scroll. Okay, you want to apply the effect this way. And then one more thing I want to show you. So see here in this example I have 5 different navigation, and the very last one is the custom link. If I want to show you, okay, so you can see here this is the custom link. Okay, for the last one, and for all other we have the CSS selector. Okay, you need to add CSS selector here also, because otherwise it will not work on mobile. Okay, so for mobile you need to use your CSS selector, okay, like this. And then once you're done, a few more things you need to do. Go back to your code, okay, and then you see here, for this example I have 5 navigation link at the top, but I added 4 of them as a smooth scrolling navigation, and the very last and fifth link I added the custom link. Okay, so in this case you need to define here. Okay, you see this number 4, in this number it will actually define that how many navigation you actually want to apply the smooth scrolling effect. Okay, so for this example I want to apply the smooth scrolling effect for first 4 navigation, and the 5th navigation I want to add a custom link. Okay, so it's not for the 5, 6 or whatever, it's not the limit. All you just need to add as many you need. Okay, and then you need to define how many of them you want to apply the smooth scrolling, and make sure that you added the CSS selector for all those sections into the code. And then for the custom link you don't need to actually do anything. All you just need to define how many of them you want to apply the smooth scrolling. Okay, so once you are done this, then just save it, save the page, and just preview and try. Okay, let me preview this. It's saving. Okay, it's saved. Let me preview. If everything goes well, then I should have smooth scrolling effect on my page. Okay, so it's loaded. Let me click. Yeah, that's it. It's working just fine. Let me try again. Yeah, it's working fine. And even now if I click here, the very last link, which is actually the custom link I added, then it should take me to that website. Okay, so let me click here. Yeah, you can see here it takes me to the website. I added to open this to new window, that's why it take me to the new tab and it's open. Okay, you know, if you already using GoHighLevel navigation on your page. Okay, so that's how actually it works. So if you find this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Okay, so you will get this code inside the description, I mean the link inside the description where you actually get the code. Okay, so that's it for this video. Have a nice day.